Assalamu alaikum viewers, today we are going to create another logo, so let's go to start. First of all, we will create a rectangle over here. Then we will select this point with the help of direct selection tool and will round it. Now create its copy with the help of Alt key. Select both of these and remove this part with the help of Shape Builder tool. Now create its copy. Create another copies with the help of Ctrl+D. Select this one and change its color to black. Select all of these and create its copy. Rotate it with pressing the Shift key. Now adjust it here. Draw a line over here. Select the line and this shape. Go to Pathfinder and click on Divide. Ungroup it. Select this one and go to Transform and click on Reflect and create a copy. Adjust it over here just like this. Now select all of these and remove. Select all of the yellow shapes and create a group of these yellow shapes. Now select all of these and create a copy. Rotate it and adjust it over here. Now create a copy of this one. Rotate it and adjust it over here just like this. Create a copy of this one. Rotate it and adjust it over here. Now apply gradients on the group of yellow shapes one by one. Now rotate it. Our logo is ready. I hope you would like my video. If you have liked, then tell me about the video in comment section. Thanks for watching.